Good day, everyone. I will discuss my topic report, which is Environmental Management Institution.
Environmental management involves various institutions at international levels. This is an organization or body responsible for developing and implementing policies, regulation, and practice aimed to protecting the environment and mitigating negative impact on ecosystem. International and regional environmental management institution. Global environment facilities, multilateral fund addressing biodiversity loss, climate change, and pollution. Partnership includes 186 members of government, civil society, indigenous people, women, and youth. International Institute for Sustainable Development. Collaborate with intergovernmental organization, government, academia, private sector, and civil society. And focus on climate, resource, economy, and sustainable development. Governmental institution for environmental management. As environmental protection agency, there are two types. This is the develop and enforce regulation to protect the environment. Provides, and number two is provide case studies and best practice for sustainability. And local government. The local government implementing environmental policies and initiative at the community levels. And number two is collaborate with the private sector and civil society for sustainable development. Civil society institution and environmental management. The civil society organization network, the Global Alliance Addressing Environmental Challenges in GEF local areas, and include organization working on biodiversity, climate change, and pollution. And the Environmental Reliance Institute provide case study on communities preparing for climate change impact, and highlights local, state, regional, and tribal initiatives. Private sector and multinational corporation and environmental management. Fujitsu Group utilize IC driving tools to enhance environmental management, focuses on visualizing and improving environmental efficiency. Collaboration with civil society. Partnership between businesses and civil society drives sustainable development. Example include corporate environmental management is a collaborative effort among various institutions that is effective partnership lead to sustainable development and environmental protection.
And that's all. Thank you, everyone.